So when we purchased our previous van in 2018, I was going through the process of getting the modifications, and there are different choices of side entry ramps, different sizes. I think one was a 30-inch, and then I think the max extra large ramp was a 32-inch from the competitor when we purchased it. And at that time they had told us that it would be probably easier if we went with the larger ramp, just because it would give us more options in case we had to change chairs and things like that. Well, here we are 5.5 years later. We still have the same 24-inch wide chair, so I didn't really need that extra ramp. Now, I think part of the problem with that extra ramp, in order for them to get it larger, they had to make modifications to the brackets of the door, because through the 5 years that I had the previous van, I've had a lot of multiple issues with the door not closing, the door slamming, the door not opening, and I think it's the modifications in the brackets that they had to adjust versus what I have now with Rollx. It still has the same tight finish as the actual minivan was meant to have, versus some type of modification to make the door open wider to accommodate a wider ramp. So have plenty of issues through 5 years with the other one.